respectfully disagree with the other candidates. I think we have an obligation to comment on specific issues. Because if we don't talk about specific issues, then how can you judge whether to vote for us or not? It's not enough for me to get up here and say I'm a good guy and I'll consider it. And the law of the land is that we can comment on specific issues. I do know about the Medical Professional Liability Act and each of its reforms. The Medical Professional Liability Act is constitutional. I will not vote to overturn it. I will not vote to change it. I will not vote to modify it. That's my position. Now, here's who I am. I'm a litigator. I've practiced law and litigated in Huntington, West Virginia for 40 years. I've represented a lot of insurance companies. And I've represented a lot of injured plaintiffs. I've defended doctors in medical negligence suits. And I've sued doctors in medical negligence suits. I have defended hospitals in medical negligence suits. And I've sued doctors in medical negligence suits. The last medical negligence suit that my law firm filed was in 1996 against a doctor named Tully Roisman in Huntington, West Virginia, who happens to support my candidacy. The last medical negligence suit where I defended the doctor was in 1999. The last medical negligence suit I filed against the hospital was in the late 1980s. The last medical negligence suit I defended for a hospital was in 2001. That's who I am. I've been a litigator. I have tried more cases to jury verdict than all the other candidates combined. I have advocated in the Supreme Court appeals more than all the other candidates combined. I have more reported opinions in the West Virginia Supreme Court of Appeals than every lawyer in this state except a man named Ansel Rainey. That's who I am. Here's my judicial philosophy. If I'm elected, I'll even-handedly apply the law to all the people. It won't matter who your lawyer is. It won't matter who you are. And judges, 5 old people in robes, sitting up there on the bench, should not create law. The people elect the legislature to create law. And the people have spoken on medical negligence reform. That's my position, and I appreciate your support.